This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pollen filter renewal. Pull away the rubber weather strip from the passenger's door pillar, then carefully unclip the panel from the end of the fascia. Using a blunt tool, prise the trim strip above the glove box rearwards. Undo the 5 retaining screws and pull the glove box rearwards from place. The filter is located on the side of the heater housing. Reach down and pull the filter from the housing. Before fitting the new filter, note the arrow marked on its edge. The arrow should point upwards. Slide the filter fully into position. Note the locating lugs, then manoeuvre the glove box back into position. Insert the glove box retaining screws and tighten them securely. Press the trim strip firmly into place, then refit the fascia end panel and the rubber weather strip.